Hey guys, I don't know how long I can stay out here for because it's really kicking up now. Currently, it's 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time here, 10 miles north of St Augustine, Florida. The rain is flooded. Winds are really picking up here. Oh my God. Trees are breaking off. I don't know if y'all can see that. Camera's getting really wet. And it is so bad. And we're about 10 miles south, or west, excuse me. We're 10 miles west of the beach. I hope that tree ain't gonna break completely apart. It's like broke on 2 pieces, but it was bad. And it's still not even, even with our coast yet, so. Imagine if this thing actually came on shore, that would not be good. And look at the rain just skirt down the road. Oh, shit. Woo! It is bad, guys. Again, we're 10 miles north of St. Augustine, Florida. Currently, the Hurricane Matthew is in between Palm Coast, Florida, and Daytona. So it's still a little ways out. Not much longer I can do this video for, but it is crazy out here. Let's see if I can walk out here a little bit further without getting this camera wet. I'm gonna have to clean. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do that. That's not good. Alright guys, quick video. Camera lens is wet. Oh Lord, it is bad here. Really bad. Alright, y'all be careful. I'll do another update soon.